and it's normally so high you can't see the house behind it. And look how the snow has weighted it down. I really hope it doesn't break. It's like my favorite thing. But look how much snow we got. And now 2 days ago, it was 60 degrees. 2 days ago it was 60. Look at how much snow we got. And this is only 7:30 in the morning. They're saying it's going to snow all day today. So we're expecting, I guess, 6 to 8. But it sure looks like we almost have 6 inches now. So, And we still have a couple hours yet to go of snow. I don't think it's going to be 6 to 8. I think it's going to be more. Damn rodent. Damn groundhog. Lied again.